Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different to anyone that is looking for motivation to clean their house. I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get started.
Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go, no need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go, no stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go, let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
Alright guys, so first thing, to get started with this cleaning video, I'm just going to do our bed. This is a little trick that I do whenever I'm doing my bed. I just look for the tag and I always put that to the right bottom corner of the bed, and I do that for every single cover that I put on the bed, and it just makes it so much easier. Alright, so now that the bed is all done, I'm finally going to start organizing these things I had sitting on the floor. I'm not gonna lie, these bags had been sitting here for quite some days, but I finally got around to it. And all I'm doing is just taking out everything from it and separating it into different piles. That way, when I'm ready to take everything to its place, it's way easier for me and I'm not going back and forth a billion times. But I was just doing different piles like clean clothes, dirty clothes, trash, things that needed to go into the restroom, shoes. And for the bags themselves, all I do is just fold the little ones up and put them into a big duffel bag, and I'll just take that into our closet. That's where we keep most of our bags at. So if you're wondering why I have all of these travel bags on here, it's because I had taken a little trip with my son. It was just me and him. We went out of town to visit some of our family. And if you're new here, hi, welcome to our channel. My name is Natalie. We are a little family of 3. I am married and I also have a little boy that's 2 years old. And if you would like to see more videos of us, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the little bell so that you're notified every time that we post a new video. And thank you for all your love and support.
I can see your interesting color and things to say. And all this liquor has got me feeling no way. Now I'm looking at you and I can feel the heat rise. Trying to fill a hole in my heart just for the night. Don't mistake this feeling for love at first sight, no. 'Cause I've been hurt and I ain't going back there anymore.
Alright, so this was definitely one of those days that I had a bunch of laundry and cleaning to do all on the same day. So when I have days like that, I like to do my laundry in between cleaning. So here I'm just getting started with a load. And I'm starting off by washing my husband's work clothes separate. I like to wash his work clothes separate from all of our other clothes. And all I did was put in some detergent booster powder directly into the load. And in the dispenser, I'm just using 7th generation liquid detergent, and I added some tea tree oil drops to that to help with the bacteria. I then used some softener, and now all I'm doing is just separating the clothes into different color piles, and I will be doing the same thing with my little boy's clothes.
No, Nothing can come as close as you when you hear the wind blows. But through this unstoppable storm of love remains, it drives me insane. I feel we got so far in the game. Now everything's on fire. How to make it come again? We're crashing like a plane, and they say no rainbow if no rain. No rainbow if no rain. No rainbow if no rain.
After a little playtime with my little boy, I'm just going to be dusting my room and vacuuming it, and meanwhile I have the laundry going, so that's what's great about multitasking. So I just wanted to quickly come on here and explain this a little something. So we are still pretty new to this house. That's why you see my room the way that it is. We don't really have that many decorations. Actually no decorations at all. And the little tables that you saw in the back corner, those were the tables that we had purchased for our living room. And during that time I was pregnant, and I don't know why we didn't even think about it, but those tables have a glass top to them, and I honestly just don't feel safe with my little boy being around them. That's why they're just put away in my room for now. But we are still trying to find somebody that would be interested in buying them from us. If not, I was thinking that what I could do is just DIY a wooden top. Okay, so by this point I already had a load of laundry to put to dry, and I'm just switching that over to the dryer and putting more clothes in the washer and just doing the same thing over again. And now moving on to dishes. This is the dish soap that I like to use. It's by 7 Generation. It's the citrus and ginger scent. And I don't have a dishwasher, so the best thing for me that I find is quickest and I am able to save the most water is I clean the right side of my sink with soap and water. That way that side of the sink is clean for me to put the dishes that I'm soaping. And what I also like to do is put my dishes that are plastic onto the left side, and that way I wash those with cold water instead of hot water.
I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in love. If we both agree there'll be no one else left to blame, we can go through with this, then go back to being the same. To love and hold us over it, we aren't together. Nothing lasts a while, waste time on emotion. It only takes some takes, don't make that mistake. Just hold on to your heart, I might not be falling for you, but this is still real. Don't mistake this feeling for love, 'cause it's not no. Yeah, I've been hurt and I ain't going back there anymore. Oh, oh, oh. I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in love. Oh, oh, oh. I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in. You can have attention, don't ask, no, this isn't forever. Oh, oh.
Okay, so now after folding some of that clothes, I'm going to be moving back into the kitchen and spraying all the countertops and the table and just wiping everything down.
Make sure you feel the heat. You can take what you want, but when you take it from me, I'll make sure that you fall upon the floor down to your knees. I'm not betting on a miracle, for a miracle, just you and me. Is it too much to ask if I should go or I should stay? Don't overthink things, baby.
Alright, so getting closer to the end of this video, I'm just going to be tidying up the living room, just picking up all the toys that were laying around. I'm going to be fluffing up the cushions back up, and you'll see in a minute what is my strategy for doing that. And then I'm just going to be sweeping the living room and the kitchen.
Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. Stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat. It's 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 no sweat.
And now, to make the house feel and smell even more clean, I'm going to use my 2 essential oils of jasmine and geranium. I put some warm water into the diffuser and about 5 drops of each oil, and this smells amazing. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you got some motivation out of it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
When you take it from me, I'll make sure that you fall upon the floor down to your knees. I'm betting on a miracle to give me peace.